Hello viewers and welcome to Newsem TV. I am Makanaka Masenyama. Firebrand former ZANU-PF Youth League Commissar Godfrey Tsenengamu has persisted with his bid to expose businessman Kudakwashe Tagwirei, whom he accuses of massive corruption, with the now empowerment lobbyists turning to the new Zupco bus transport tender that has been linked to the controversial businessman. At a media briefing to launch his Front for Economic Emancipation in Zimbabwe, Tsenengamu said the Zupco deal was fraught with corruption, adding that he and his organization were now focusing on the matter.
People are aware that we have been receiving Zupco buses or buses operating under the franchise of Zupco. But who is the owner of those buses? Which buses have not been branded? Only a sticker has been attached to those buses. We have heard a lot about those buses. This is just but one of the many examples of cases that demand transparency and accountability from the government and from the authorities.
Tsenengamu was expelled from ZANU-PF earlier this year over his outspoken rebuke of Tagwirei, whom he accuses of capturing the state and going scot-free in his alleged corrupt acts. Tagwirei is seen as an untouchable top businessman with close links to the presidency. Reporting for Newsem TV, I am Makanaka Masenyama. For this and more stories, visit our website www.newzimbabwe.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Newsem TV.